Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. I've been looking for an emergency survival kit to bring on the road with me wherever I go. I've seen a lot of them out there, and a lot of them have like a lot of survival gear, but they don't have like any like first aid stuff. And I didn't want to carry first aid and a survival kit, so I found this by Chareada, and I think it has everything that you're going to be looking for your backpack or out on the road in your truck, in your work truck, whatever. Anyway, let me just go through everything. So it comes in this nice zip case, and it's got like tons of stuff in here, and I'll go through everything. So you get a booklet that comes with it, and it's the kit instructions. So it's going to go over basically everything that's in here, and there is a lot. There's a lot in here. So this is your emergency poncho, adult size. Then it comes with your elastic bandage with clips on it, with the metal clips. And let's open this up and see what's all in here. Oh, this is your breathing apparatus for doing CPR. It's like a face shield that comes in there. Then you have your little multi-tool that's in here. And I was curious to see the quality of this, and because a lot of them you get in kits and they're kind of like hokey and stuff, you know. But this one, it doesn't have any flex to it, which is a good thing. And it has a good spring action on the pliers. And on it, it's going to come with a bunch of little different accessories. And again, it's brand new, so it's a little stiff to get everything out. But it looks like you got your can opener, you got your file, your flathead screwdriver on that. Then you have your saw edge for like cutting small branches and wood down on the one side, and then and like I said, it feels pretty good. It's actually, I'm pretty impressed with it so far. And then you have like your descaler blade. Then you have your knife blade on that, and it is very sharp, so be careful. Then you have your other can opener. You have your Phillips head in there as well, and overall pretty impressive for this type of kit. It has a little sheath that you can put on your belt, and it does come with a headlamp, which is pretty cool. No batteries, but I think it takes 2 AA from what I remember reading, but that's really good. So be prepared, make sure you have batteries packed for that. Then you have your first aid kit that's in here, and this comes with like a ton of first aid stuff in it. So you're gonna have a bunch of little bandages, a lot of little band-aids. I shouldn't say little, they're like full-size band-aids. So I mean, just like a lot of band-aids, which is good. Comes with a little tweezer, some Q-tips, or I should say cotton swabs. Comes with a little roll of tape, and it comes with a bunch of alcohol and iodine prep pads, some safety pins, a rubber tourniquet, and then it has a couple non-woven pads. So I mean, that's a lot of stuff they put on that side. So on here, this is like a triangular bandage or like a sling. Comes with a keychain size compass, so obviously super helpful, find directions. It has your wire chain saw, cutting saw, and I remember these things in Boy Scouts, and these are actually really cool. I mean, it comes out to a pretty decent size, so you can cut through some pretty large limbs if you had to with those things. Like I said, back from my scouting days, I used to love using those. Comes with a small fishing kit. Comes with an emergency whistle that also has a little keychain on it as well. And then taking this out, this is your spork and knife, which is a super cool. I like how the sheath is actually the handle to your spork. And believe it or not, when I'm on the road, I'm always looking for a spoon or something. So that is another key ring to put on your belt clip to hold various items. And then this is another little pocket tool, and it has a ruler and a bunch of little things on it. So let me open this pack up. So, oh, I'm sorry, this is your fire starter. So if you're looking to create some sparks with this, you have to take the protective sheath off of it. So that's like your fire starter. I guess we got to get that little protective coating off of that, but there we go. Got some sparks going with that thing, so that's pretty cool. Put that back on. And then this is like an emergency tool for like breaking windows if you get trapped. But like I said, it's got a bunch of little things in there. It's a ballpoint pen. The other end you can use for like breaking out of your car if you had to, like the windows. So that's a pretty good tip on that. Another little belt clip, and then you have your blunt end surgical scissors used for cutting the tape and everything else. Then you have another knife in here. So that is a pretty good size survival knife. It's got the little serrated edge on it, and it's got your pocket clip on there as well, and it locks. So it's a good tool, and it's got the little blunt tip. Same thing for breaking through windows or whatever is needed. And believe it or not, this is one of the things that really caught my eye on this whole kit. And this is a pocket bellows. So if you're looking to start a fire, you're blowing through the straw to really get a lot of air, or a precise amount of air, after you get your sparks going with your fire starter. So I thought that was a pretty neat device. And then this is your paracord bracelet. So you got some rope on you, and it also has a compass on it as well. So that's a cool little survival bracelet that you have in this pack. So then this is one of those Mylar blankets, rescue blanket. I took it out of the pack, but you'll never get it back in here. But that's always super handy. Then you have another little wallet tool that has a bunch of little things here. A can opener. It's got like a little serrated edge on it. That's, again, another really useful tool to bring on the road with you. And then last but not least, it comes with a great flashlight. And again, this is one of the ones that I basically have on my side every single day. So it's a great flashlight. And again, the only part about this kit that I wish they had was batteries for the flashlight and the light. But besides that, what a great kit, and all the stuff that you get with this. So tremendous value. Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.